Hi, sweet kids. Today, we're gonna draw a cute kitty wearing a pumpkin costume. Ah, isn't it so cute? Now, let's see what colors we need. Yellow, orange, green, black. Let's get started and have lots of fun together. Ready?
3, 2, 1!
Welcome to our colorful drawing world. Today's drawing is super easy, so don't worry at all. You can totally do it. Just stay with me till the end, and we'll make something amazing together. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun and keep smiling while you draw. I know you're gonna do an awesome job. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Every like brings a smile to you and us. Give your like and let happiness double. Be with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe so happiness grows.